In North Carolina summers, well, we got two modes. We got hot and why the heck do I live here? This little handheld turbo fan helps you with the second question of why the heck do I live here? This is a personal breeze, a personal wind machine right here. When there's no wind, well, let's create it. And really quick, the head pivots just like this. So just look at this personal breeze machine. We're gonna call this a little wind maker, a little tornado dude right here, where you got a couple different modes. This is the personal mode that I like to have it in. It's like this when it's against my chest, kind of shoots up at my face right there. But you can also have it in that mode right there. If you're sitting on a table, you can angle it just like that, any which way that you want. Turn on really quickly, you have 5 speeds. You just press, that's your first speed, and that's gonna come, if you can see that, that is completely charged. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way up to 5 right there. Then it comes with this little neck lanyard that you can actually store around your neck so that you can always have that fan blowing on your face. Perfect for outdoors, anytime you're at sporting events, standing in line at your favorite amusement park, you better believe you're gonna have one of these. You just charge this sucker up with the C cable right there and you are good to go. Now, for me, the battery does last me for a few hours, completely fully charged, running at 5 speed. I'm gonna get at least 2 to 3 hours out of this. Hopefully I'm not outside much longer than that, or the sun has gone down and I'm good to go. Now what I'm gonna do right here is I'm gonna test the wind speed at about the distance of where you're gonna have your face. Like I said, this is a personal fan. So we're gonna test this right here. Hopefully you guys can see that. So on the first speed, we got that going. We are rocking, make sure I got these, yep, miles per hour right there. We're rocking about 7 to 8 on the wind speed. We're gonna call that 8 right there on the wind speed. Now the closer I get, the faster it's gonna go. So we're gonna go about this much distance right there. You'll see that. And we got about, like I said, 8 on the wind speed, level 1. Level 2, we're jumping up a little bit. Now we got about consistently 8.5, 9 on that wind speed, 8.5. So we're gonna go 8 on that wind speed for level 2. Level 3, now we're getting somewhere. Now we're jumping up to 9.5 miles an hour on level 3. Level 4, there we go. We're at 11 miles per hour on level 4. So we shot up at, you can kind of see right there. And I'm holding it a little bit, trying to keep that even right there. And then level 5. So the fastest it goes is this going to give you, if you can see that right there, what is that? About 14 to 15 miles an hour into your face, right? Right there, that's gonna give you that 15 mile an hour at number 5. And that feels really, really good actually. That drops that quite a bit. That temperature that it's dropping is gonna be at least 5 degrees, even in the shade or in the full sun. The other thing about this personal fan is that it's super lightweight. You have it around your neck and you don't feel a thing. So if you live somewhere where you're asking yourself, why the heck do I live here? Well, this might just help you answer that question. Now, testing all the settings, this is where this guy lives, right here on my chest while I'm rocking in my rocking chair. Life can get no better than this, except for North Carolina still has 2 settings, hot and hotter. But at least this little guy, now my rocking chair has AC.